I'm standing in front of the Rhodes Tower, which on the 16th floor is home of our Attorney General in Ohio, Dave Yost. So I have never actually seen Dave Yost or had a hint that Dave Yost or his office would ever stand up for a citizen, statutory, or constitutional right. You never want to get between Dave Yost and a camera if there's some populist thing, because he'll take you out trying to get to a camera for some bullshit press conference. But when it comes to actually respecting citizen, constitutional, or statutory rights, you're never going to find Dave Yost there. So let me give you an update on something relating to the Ohio Election Commission. So the Ohio Election Commission would routinely fine people and cite violations on people in what they called a preliminary review. There was no opportunity in these reviews to present evidence. There was no opportunity to be confronted by your accusers. But it was routine in every meeting that literally, 100 people could be fit into buckets of being fined $50, $100, what have you, with absolutely no due process. I got cited for not filing a campaign finance report, for which I never received notice to file it, which you're supposed to get. I did not get a fine, but I took it to court. I took it to court that the whole process was a violation of due process, a violation of statute. I won in court. I won in court that indeed, as a citizen or a candidate, you have a right to due process, that you should have to have an actual real hearing. They can't just say everybody on this list is guilty and that's just the way it's going to be. So what is our illustrious Dave Yost doing, though? Appealing that decision. He is appealing the court decision that says that it was wrong for the Ohio Election Commission to fine people and cite violations without any due process, without being confronted by their accusers. That's what a joke Dave Yost is. He has absolutely no moral or ethical compass when it comes to citizens' rights or protecting citizens. And he's got these young attorneys in his office that basically become part of this. We use the power of our office to try to block citizens from their constitutional and statutory rights. So we'll see what happens in an appeal, but I wonder if somebody could then come around and say, there's literally thousands and thousands of people that were fined without any real hearing and without any real due process by the Ohio Election Commission. That was wrong. And as much as I'm 100% for people being held accountable, I am 100% for something that Dave Yost does not seem to care about, which is due process.